Bye. So hey guys, as you notice, I have her pork belly, 7 pounds. Today I'm going to make a pork belly roll or Lechon belly. I'm going to cook this and to the oven. A lot of people asking what's my secret, what's my ingredients, so perfect timing. I just cut slant, just like that, just like this, slant cut. For every people, we do a different way, but this is my way. So the inside the meat, and after that, so same process but across, just like this. See? Mustard. This is very optional, guys. Liapirin or Worcestershire sauce. This is very optional. If you have, you can have it. You can add it. You don't have, no need. Ground black pepper, add salt to taste, you can use rock salt, sea salt, Thai salt. I don't have gloves, so I do already wash my hands, so just rub it there. There you go. See? I'm gonna add, this is onion leeks or spring onion. Just do like this. Here's some bay leaves or laurel. From my garden, it's lemongrass or tanglad. Just put it there. Can have it. If you don't have, it's very optional. Put it there. So rosemary. Same thing, optional. If you don't have, you don't need to put. Add some garlic. Next thing, gonna add onion. You can use white, red, yellow, and slice it into very exciting. And add peppercorn if you want. Add peppercorn. Around yum yum. Secret ingredients, magic syrup. So lagulong sumasarap ang iyong luto. So now, I'm gonna roll it. So when you roll, just do like this. Make it sure your stuffing gets inside. When you roll. To tie it up, I use my kitchen weight. Here. at 300 for the first 1.5 hour. And after 1.5 hour, increase your oven temperature to. So this is ready to put in the oven. Let's add vegetables oil. We're just cooking oil. Just brush around the skin. And then we're gonna set the timer for first 1.5 hours. So guys, after 3 hours, I'm gonna check the roast pork belly, lechon pork belly. So, there you go, moment of truth. Look at that. Perfect lechon pork belly. There you go. The moment of truth. After 3 hours. Look at the perfect roast pork belly. Pork belly lechon. Rest for 5 minutes before you cut. Right? People love skin, crispy skin or crunchy skin. Voilà. Bye. Super tasty, tender skin, so crispy, tasty. Love it. So guys, when you're in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like cooking, just check in my other video. Oh, so small little. See? Look at the juicy, tender, crispy skin lechon belly.